Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I am making onion bhaji burger today, also known as veggie burger, starting with onion of course, and I have taken red onions today. You can use whatever onions you have at home, and I've got one large onion thinly sliced. I'm going to add it to a bowl. And I have got 100 grams of gram flour or besan here. You just want all the onions to be coated properly, but it's not a stodgy pakora. It's a crispy, very lightly floured pakora. In goes 1 clove of garlic, some freshly finely chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala, chili to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix it all up so that the onions are coated nicely before we add water in. I can't give you an exact weight of the water I need. As you can see, there's not too much flour. You don't need any more water at all. That's it, you stop now. I've got some sunflower oil piping hot, and I'm just going to gently, I was going to say throw in, but no. Gently put in the onion mix into the hot oil. So it's a big enough piece to make and fit into a burger. Wow! Beautiful! And I'm so excited for this. So I've just got some really fresh soft burger buns, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some fresh salad, of course the crispy onion bhaji or pakora. I'm going to put some butter on these buns, and then I'm going to layer it up, and I've just got a runny fried egg coming up, and then I can plate it up. And here it is, the onion pakora, onion bhaji, veg burger, and I've thrown in a beautifully runny fried egg on top. I know I shouldn't be attempting this because I'm wearing white, but I cannot resist, and it does look so tempting. Where do I go in from? Right. That is so good. I'm going to eat the rest when the camera stops rolling. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give us a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share. I'll see you back next week. I might need to sit down for this actually.